Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can know if your Snapchat account has been hacked. So I'm going to be showing you various methods, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you constantly have to log in into your account for almost more than 2 or 3 times, then it means your account has been hacked. In this case, you can also change your password by going to the Snapchat web browser and then changing your password. After changing your password, you might be able to fix it. If you see random story posted on your Snapchat, or if you see random snaps that you did not send, which means that your Snapchat account has been hacked. For this method as well, you can simply change your password and you might be able to fix the issue. If you think that there is some suspicious activity on your Snapchat, then it might also indicate that your Snapchat account has been hacked. In order to get rid of this problem, you can simply change your password or you can delete your account. This way you can secure your account. In this way you can know if your Snapchat account has been hacked or not. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.